Hello everyone. Today we will be uh, taking a look at a Leetcode problem, and hopefully by the end of this video we will have a solution. Let me select this problem. I have never solved this problem, so let's see how this goes. The medium question. Let me copy the question here and put it to my second notepad and just paste it here. So according to the question, we will be given an integer and we have to convert it to a Roman numeral. There are 7 symbols corresponding to these integer values. Um, so the main challenge here is to figure out how to represent numbers like 4, which are represented like this. 4 is taken as 5 minus 1, so like IV, something like this. Figuring that out is going to be a challenge. So let me actually let me take a look at this input output test cases so that we get a better understanding of how to solve them. Now, 3 is very straightforward, I guess. It's just 3 i's. 58 is an interesting one. LVII. This is 3 plus 5 into 50, I guess. So plus 50. So that is 58. Um, MCM XCIV. This is 1994, I guess. So for that, M is going to be 1000. CM is 900. XC is going to be 90, and IV is 4. So this takes a look at a bunch of the big uh, tech anomalies which we have, 9, 4, 90, 900. So this should be an interesting test case to solve for. We take the integer 1994 and divide it by the largest number and see if the output is more than 0, so more than 1. So like it's going to be divided by 1000. If it is above 1, that it's 1.9 something. We can go ahead and update the value to the remainder, that is 994, and add m to the output string. Append the output string with m, and this becomes a much smaller problem now. It's 994, again divided by the next largest one, 900. After m we have, I believe it's d. Can this take d? uh, Let me try d by d. This is going to be 400 something. We know that the numbers which end with 4 are going to be anomalies, digits which end with 4. So for this, I guess, hmm. So the issue now is we have to find out a way to check if this is 9 and accommodate that accordingly. So uh, let me think about this for a minute. And this problem will carry forward for 90 as well as 4, I believe. 90 as well as 4. So hmm, let me think about this for a second. We can just check for 4. We can check for all these cases 4 comma 9, 4 40 comma 90, and 400 comma 900, and handle them separately. So that was the idea, and now let me try to code it out. Let me put this to a side and mm, so we get an integer here. So let me create an output string. Let us create an empty string which we can append one by one to get the output. Why? And since we are reducing the input integer, and we can do this in a while loop and go till 0. So this can be written as while int not equal to 0 or equal to 0. So this. So first step is if if not int, it's num, my bad. If num is greater than or equal to 1000, we can go ahead and divide nums. We can make num equal to uh, num equal to 1000, num equal to num modulo 1000, and the output will out, output equal to put plus m. You can like add the strings. Next, Next we can wait a second, 994. So for this I think, so the way we handled let me put another 4. We can create the anomaly list with 4, 9, 40, 900. It's like, no, this is not the right approach to take, I guess. Num, that should not work. This should be good enough. Let me try the normal ones first. If num greater than or equal to 500, num, I can use an else if clause here, else if equal to 500, we make this num equal to num by 500 equal to md. Next again, else if num is greater than or equal to 100, we can do num equal to num divided by 100 and output plus equal to 100. See, 50, 50 not equal to equal to 50 and else if num greater than or equal to 10, it's num equal to num modulo 50 modulo 10. output will be plus equal to x, capital X. Then else if num um, greater than or equal to 5, it's going to be num equal to num by modulo 5, num modulo 5, and output will increment by v, and num is equal to wait a second, I think for one I should be subtracting here as let me go through this. 1 divided by, let me take number 3, divide this by 1, the output is gonna be 3. So in order to get 3 strings, dividing it is not going to be a good solution. I think I should be subtracting. So in the first iteration, when I subtract 3 minus 1, I get 2. I add I to the output string. Then again subtract by 1, I get 1. I add 1 to the output string. Again I subtract 1, I get 0. I come out of the loop. So that should be it. It should not be modulo. That is the reason why we subtract here. Let me see if it works. Now else return break. So now let me run this and see what answers I get. Okay, my bad. Just a second. I need this case. to be ls run. Oh. So it got the first test case right, got the second test case right, but as we had hoped in the third test case, we failed. So one way of dealing with this is for now to deal with this. One possible solution is to go iterate through the string mdc xii. Iterate through this. Uh, Look for places where a violation of these rules has taken place. Like you have 4 times 1 here, so that is a red flag. DCLX L LS50 X is 10. This is not working. We got the first 2 test cases right. Let me iterate through what all is wrong here. First thing, so the first thing to do here is to find the positional value. Think positional value that can be mm, one 199. Let me trace this string and see how we got this out of it. So first, divide this by 1000, get 994. Divide this by divide this by divide this by 1000. Then next divide, because it's not gonna be greater than greater than our number here. We will divide this by 100, 500 first. So what do we get when we divide this by 500? I think this is a wrong move to do. Dividing this is a wrong move to take. We should be subtracting, not dividing. Taking the remainder. It's true for all cases. Let me run this and see if we get a solution. Yes, we did get a solution. This is more correct, I believe. So, hmm. So now this is the string which we are getting. MDCCC 1 2 3 4 4 C's. 4C L X X X X I. So one thing which we can clearly see here is this four or more occurrences of any number can be simplified, has to be handled as vi um, iv my bad. So the way we are going to do that is by looking at the previous integers and seeing if output of till the end or if length of output is greater than 3 and and output dot the last three ones. So we get the last three indexes by this minus 3 minus 2. Let me like bring up a Python console. Yeah, minus 2. Uh, yeah, has to be minus 3, I guess. Since this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus 3 to 0 till the end is not equal to. We give the string as mmm. Then what we do is output equal to output equal to output of from first till the plus the subtracted one, which is gonna be subtracted one is going to be E, right? So, um, just a second. How is 2000 written in M? How just the same 2000 in Roman is 2 M's. What about 5000? It's G something. I think here we have to take till M only, since that'll be a bit too extreme. For M we don't have to deal with it. It's only for hundreds. So 500. So if how do we handle 900? This is 900. Uh, the challenge here is handling 900, which will be D followed by 900, D followed by 4 C's. So we can change that to D C C if num of this num of num greater than length of num greater than 3 greater than 4, and thus num dot 4 minus 4 equal to DCC. Then num equal to num plus num of output. Yeah, just realized something else. I think I should, yes. I don't think we need to change it here. We can do it here. Only if num is greater than 3 and num is greater than 3 and length of num. Length of num is greater than 3 and length is greater than 3 if if num dot minus beginning at -4 comma c is equal to is equal to d c c c c, and in this case we can go ahead and print increment output to dcc is gonna be dcc is going to be cm equal to output of we remove these 4 strings, so for we remove these 4 characters and we get this plus mxm cmcm. Now after this what we do is elif we copy this condition should not be true and and has to be equal to this 400 would be c and in each case we increment this by the same number. Okay, just hit tab, we get that. Okay. Uh, Again, we do something similar for x again. Let me just this is gonna be 10. This is gonna be x I x I b I. We are going to be I x. This is going to be we got to do something similar here. I num I v. This is going to be xl, and this is going to be 50 is oh, this is going to be xm. 90 is going to be xm. xc. L. This was L L x x x L x x L x x x, and this is going to be x x x. 9 is going to be V I 8. V I. V I. Let me try running this and see what I get. Okay, so there is a missing semicolon here. There is a missing. Now let me run this again and see what I get. Output is output. Uh, Last one. Run. Uh, Again, this is showing an error. See, Oh, so there is this error. Let's wait a second. L X L L is 50. Yes, 40. Let me try this. And just a second. XC. Let me wait. So just a second. The condition for 90 is not being satisfied somehow. Uh, hey, let me let me run this and see. Button. No. Let me try to debug using a simple print statement. We get 44 Along with this, I'll print the output string as well. So that is a print output string, which is output. Run this and see what we get. It has to add XCS. Okay, so here is the thing. Oh, that was it. Let me try to run this again and see if I get the right output. Oh, let me try this. Still no change. Let me try this as well. As well. I. It's in this step. This is -3. Wow. Now let me try to submit this and see if we get it right. Uh, it's failing 40. Yes, this is minus 3. Also minus 3. Yep. And submitted this one. And this. Oh, so that was the solution for now. Again, it took a while for me to do this. I hope I get better with time. Thanks for watching.